Hi everyone, so today I want to show you how to make one of DIY or homemade that's called Pompom. So what is Pompom? Maybe you ever heard what is Pompom. So Pompom is a kind of wool yarn that's made into a round shape. I'll give you the example. Let me see this. So this is the example of pom-pom. You can use it as maybe keychain, or maybe you want to give as a prize for your kids, for your younger sister or younger brother. It will be very interesting. So let me show you. Let's go. Okay, now let me show you what else the materials that we need to make pom-pom. The first is this. This is wool yarn. You can buy this in many shops. And then we will need this. This is called a pom-pom maker tools. Actually, you can make a kind of this tool by yourself or handmade, but actually it's not really simple. So it will be practice if you just buy these tools in online shop. Okay, I have bought this about 2 years ago. And then we will need scissors, and then we will need this keychain, because today I will show you pom-pom but in the form of keychain. And then you can add some accessories to your pom-pom. For example, maybe you wanna give a present for your daughters or your younger sister. You can add some doll eyes on your pom-pom. This is just an additional. And then you will need this glue, because you need to stick the eyes to the pom-pom. Okay, so this is all the materials that we need. You can have it. This is very simple actually. So now I'll show you how the steps or procedures to make pom-pom. Let's go. Well, let me start to make pom-pom. So the first step is you can have this pom-pom maker tools, and it has a lock, so you need to open the lock first like this. Okay, and then take your wool yarn. You can choose any color, and for today I'll choose this black yarn. And then what else? We need to hold the end of this yarn by our hand, one of your hand, like this. Okay, and then start to round the yarn around the toes like this. Okay, just do it until all the sides of the tools are wrapped. So actually the one and only that we need to make pom-pom is patience. So if you want to practice your patience, you can try this at home. Trust me, it works. Okay, like this. Okay, I'll make it faster. Okay, so after the yarn already turn around like this, and all of the side already wrapped, okay, like this. So we need to lock again the toes like this. Okay, we lock the two sides of the toes like this, and let the yarn hanging on like this. Okay, because we need to tie this yarn into our keychain in the next step. Okay, and then take your scissors. So we need to cut the middle of this yarn. We can start to cut off from the surface of the yarn. Just cut it off slowly, and once more we need our patience, okay? Okay, one side of the tools are already cut off. We continue to the next side, okay? Okay, I have cut off all the side of the yarn like this, okay? And then take the end of the yarn, and then we need to tie this into the middle of the tool like this, okay? Just tie. So when you have tied the yarn like this, so you can open the key of the tools like this, and you can open the tools like this, okay? So like this. And the next step, what should we do? So we need to tidy up this pom-pom. So we need to cut and tidy up all the surface of this pom-pom, right? We need to shape the pom-pom into round shape, just like you cut your hair, like this. So, and the next step, take your keychain. You can have it from any shop, okay? And then tie the end of this yarn into your keychain, okay? And then cut it off. So you already have the pom-pom, the keychain of pom-pom. I have two, the bigger one and the little one, like this, okay? And as I mentioned before, if you want to add some accessories in your pom-pom, it will be nice. It will be very, very interesting for your kids or your younger sister. Okay, that's all that I could share for today. Hopefully it will be interesting for you. Maybe you want to spend your time, you need to practice your patience at home. Just do it, because it's very, very, very simple. Okay, see you, bye bye. So this is it, pom-pom. I have a lot of pom-poms, and this is the one that I have made, a keychain of pom-pom. Okay, you can try this at home. It's very simple.